G'day everyone, it's Jerry here from Succulent Fly Traps, your Carnivorous Plants Nursery. Well, today I'm very excited because I'm at a very special location where there are wild carnivorous plants growing. Now, growing carnivorous plants at home is exciting, it's very exhilarating and very satisfying. However, it's not until you visit a site where there are wild populations of carnivorous plants that it adds a whole new dimension. Now, wild carnivorous plants are just that. No one looks after them. There's also been no human intervention in terms of crossbreeding. So the form that you see at a wild site is the form that's evolved over millions of years. It's a form basically that's been offered and created by nature. So I can't wait to show you these plants. Now, at this very same site, I also go fishing. So it's amazing to me that I haven't discovered these plants over, say, 10 years of me going fishing here. It just goes to show you can't assume anything. Maybe where you are, there are plants growing you don't even know about. So before I show you these plants, I'll just show you over here. One of my other passions is fishing, and a form of fishing that I do is rock fishing. And I actually go fishing onto these rock platforms down there, and I tell you what, I get plenty of fish. So this location here is very, very special to me in many ways. And look how beautiful it is down there. What a sight, eh? Okay, so let's have a look at these wild populations of carnivorous plants. So this is the walking trail I just came along, and here on my left are the beautiful wild carnivorous plants I was talking about. So these are the ones with the red leaves. Look how beautifully they contrast amongst that lush green moss surrounding them. Now, these are definitely sundews. I'm not sure exactly the species. To me, they look like Drosera spatulata. Now, spatulata refers to the shape of a spoon, and I think about the ones that I saw in the Blue Mountains. They look like Drosera spatulata, but their leaves were different. The leaves on here are not as broad. You can see that there's a thin section before the ends, which are nice and round. Look how beautiful they look in the morning sun. I mean, these ones here, there's no more than an inch across, so they're quite easy to miss unless you know what you're looking for. And it's the red leaves which really make them stand out, especially when they're amongst this lush green moss, and they're absolutely everywhere. Look how beautiful they look. Now, once you go to a wild population of carnivorous plants, you start to see common themes appearing. Now, you can see that there's water seepage down here. So carnivorous plants need constantly damp soil, and that's what you're seeing right here. And the lush green moss confirms that. They also need plenty of light. And if I look over here, this is looking at the east coast of New South Wales. As you can see here, there's plenty of light. It's wide open space. I'm here, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, so they're getting plenty of morning light. So yeah, you start to see these common themes appearing. You can apply these themes to your own plants at home. And like a lot of carnivorous plants, the more light they get, the more red those leaves get. And that's definitely what you're seeing right here with these carnivorous plants, with those deep red leaves. Yeah, I'm absolutely privileged to be here, to have discovered this wild population of plants. They really are exciting to see.